Good afternoon. I have an appointment for the citizenship interview at 2:15 p.m.
Good afternoon. Where is your appointment notice?
Here it is.
Okay. Please go through the security checkpoint number 3.
Thank you.
Please remove your shoes, coat, wallet and place them in a tray. Electronics items such as laptop and cell phone need to be in a separate bin. Now, go through the scanner please. Alright, the naturalization appointment will be on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. Good afternoon. I have an appointment for the citizenship interview.
Hello. Do you have the letter with you today?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. All right. This is your interview room. Please sit down and wait to be called.
Thank you.
A5, Mr. Hung?
That is me.
Good morning. I am Officer Katie, and I will conduct your interview today. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks for asking. What about yourself?
I'm great, too. Please follow me. Please come in and remain standing.
Thank you.
I need you to take the oath. Could you please raise your right hand?
Sure.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Great. Please have a seat.
Thank you, officer.
Can you please hand me your permanent resident card and your ID, please?
Yes, here you go.
Do you have any questions before I begin your interview?
Yes, I do. I made a few errors in the application and I would like to update my answers. Is that okay?
Sure, and please bring up the changes when we get to that section.
I will, thank you.
Have you been waiting a long time to talk to me?
No, I haven't been waiting long.
Do you understand why you are here today?
Yes, I am here for my citizenship interview.
Tell me, why do you want to be an American citizen?
Because I believe in the U.S. Constitution, and I would like to vote.
We will reuse your previous picture, but we need to take your fingerprints today. Can you place your right index finger on the scanner? Now, please switch to your left index finger. Are you ready for the test?
Yes, I am ready.
All right, I will start with the civics test. First, I will ask you 10 questions from the list of 100 civics questions, and you should get 6 answers correct to pass the civics test portion. You can just provide one answer. First question: what is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now?
Kevin McCarthy.
Correct. We elect a U.S. Senator for how many years?
6.
Great. Who was president during World War I?
Woodrow Wilson.
Good. Name one of the 2 longest rivers in the United States.
Mississippi River.
Correct. Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
Good. What does the President's cabinet do?
Advises the President.
Excellent. You got 6 answers correct, so you passed the civics test portion. Now, let's move to the English reading and writing test. First, read the sentence on the tablet in front of you, please.
Who lived here first?
Now, I am going to read you a sentence and I need you to write it down on the tablet for me. By using the stylus pen or your finger. American Indians lived here first. American Indians lived here first. Great. You passed the English reading and writing test too.
Thank you.
What is your first name?
My last name is Hung Van.
Is Hung Van the name that appears on your green card? Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Have you used any other name beside your current legal name?
Yes, it is.
Do you want to legally change your name?
No, thank you.
Great. When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
Since October 11, 2016.
And where did you apply for your permanent residency?
In California.
Have you been feeling anxious about this interview?
No, I studied very hard, and I feel prepared.
Can you confirm your day of birth, please?
January 4, 1982.
And where were you born?
Vietnam.
What is your phone number?
715-611-2354.
What are the last 4 digits of your social security number?
5245.
What is your current address?
Sorry, officer. I made a mistake here on the application form.
My house number is not 2312. My address is 2322 F. Webster Avenue, Fresno, California, 93701.
Okay, not a problem, let me update that.
Thank you.
Have you lived in any other addresses in the past 5 years?
No.
What is your current marital status?
I am married.
And when did you get the divorce?
November 23, 2019.
Do you have your married certificate with you?
Yes, I do.
Can I see it?
Sure. Here you go.
What is your spouse's job?
She is a nail technician.
Is he a U.S. citizenship?
No.
Does she have any previous marriages?
No, she has only been married once to me.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I do. I have one girl.
Does she live with you or her mother?
She lives her mother in Nevada.
Great. Is she a U.S. citizen?
Yes, officer.
Can I have her birth certificate?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have to pay any child support?
Yes, I do.
Could you show me your proof of payments?
Sure. Here they are.
What is your height and how much do you weigh?
I'm 5 feet 6 inches tall and I weigh 175 pounds.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, I'm a teacher at Point Loma Nazarene University.
Great. How long have you been working for them?
About 5 years.
All right. Any trips outside of the U.S. for the past 5 years?
Yes, I went back to Vietnam 2 times.
Did any of your trips last 6 months or longer?
No, officer.
When was your last trip?
It was on December 31, 2022.
What was the purpose of your trip?
To visit my family.
Okay, let us go over some questions from Part 12 of N-400 application. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever registered to vote in the United States?
No.
Do you now have, or did you ever have a hereditary title or an order of nobility in any foreign country?
No.
Do you owe any overdue federal, state or local taxes?
No.
Were you ever involved in any way with torture?
No, never.
What is a totalitarian party?
A political party in which all people have no power.
Have you ever persecuted any person because of race, religion, or national origin?
No, officer.
Were you ever involved in forcing or trying to force someone to have any kind of sexual contact or relations?
No.
What is forcing sexual contact or relations?
Touching someone's private parts when he or she doesn't want it.
Did you ever recruit, enlist, conscript, or use any person under 15 years of age to serve in or help an armed force or group?
No.
Were you ever a worker, volunteer, or soldier, or did you otherwise ever serve in prison camp?
No, officer.
Have you ever participated or served in a police unit?
No.
Were you ever involved in any insurgent organization?
No, never.
What is an insurgent organization?
A group that uses weapons and fights against a government.
Did you ever serve in any place where people were forced to stay?
No.
Have you ever been charged with committing, attempting to commit, or assisting in committing a crime or offense?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government officials to gain entry or admission into the United States or to gain immigration benefits while in the United States?
No, never.
What does lie mean?
To tell something is not true.
Have you ever left the United States to avoid being drafted in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and formal governments of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I am.
What does bear arms mean?
It means to own or use a gun.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I am.
And congratulations, you passed U.S. citizenship the interview.
Thank you, officer.
Now, look at the application on the tablet and make sure everything is correct. Then sign and date at the bottom.
Everything is correct.
Great. I will submit your application for approval. And here is a copy of your test result.
Thank you, officer. Can I ask a question?
Sure.
You said I passed the interview, but on this form, it says a decision cannot be made. There is nothing to worry about.
I just need my supervisor to do a quality check and final approval.
Thank you. Do you know when I'll be able to take the oath ceremony?
Once the application is approved, we will probably send you a notice in about a week.
Thank you again, officer.
You're welcome. Congratulations again. I will walk you back to the waiting area.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more.